Hello everybody, today I would like to demonstrate how you can find the Wi-Fi password on an iPhone 14 series device. So first of all, you gotta either launch settings and enter the dedicated Wi-Fi category, or you can also swipe downwards from the right part of the status bar at the control center, long press at this little section that contains all the network shortcuts, and then tap and hold at the Wi-Fi, go into the Wi-Fi settings. So once you somehow got to the Wi-Fi settings page, just choose what network you would like to see the password of. I'll go with the one that I'm currently connected to. Tap on it, and in here you'll be able to find the password field, which you want to tap on as well. And as you can see, after you do that, after you click on this section, it will reveal the actual Wi-Fi network password. If in your case you have any screen passcode, Face ID installed, it will require that you type in the passcode or use the Face ID in order to make the password visible. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.